Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a clan in Clash of Clans. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, click on this join icon on the left sidebar. And here, click on this join now. And from here, choose create clan. And now in this box, give it a name. And now give it a description. And from here, you can change the badge of it. Click on this edit button. And from here, you can choose a pattern and the background also. So I'm choosing this pattern and choosing this background. And after then, click on this save button. And here, you can select the clan type. Anyone can join, invite only, closed. So I'm keeping it anyone can join so that anyone can join in my clan. And now you can set the war frequency. You can keep it never, rarely, once a week, twice a week, always. So I'm setting it as always. And you can set also minimum trophies and maximum trophies to join. I'm keeping it 0. And after then you can select the clan location also. Click on this browse button and from here you can choose the country. I'm choosing here Bangladesh. I'm also going to choose a language here, browse English. And you can also add some levels whenever you are creating the clan. So normally you can check these boxes also. So I'm keeping it as same and I'm choosing clan wars. And then click on this 40,000 coin. Make sure that you have 40,000 coin whenever you are creating the clan. So I already have this amount of coins. So I'm clicking on this button. And that's it. Here you can see that I have successfully created my clan. So if I click on this clan, you will see that this is my clan. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to create a clan in Clash of Clans game. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.